Okay, now the implant crown is finished firing and it's shaded and stained the color that we wanted. So now we're going to go over the steps involved to cement the implant crown to the tie base. So this is the finished implant crown and the tie base. I have already air braided and Ivoclar red etched both the tie base and the inside of the implant crown. After I've done that, I always try in the tie base just to make sure everything is still fitting properly and flush. So that way you removed all of the excess glaze and it allows it to properly seat with the implant crown. So now we are going to use the Ivoclar Monobond Plus, and we are going to coat the tie base and the inside of the implant crown for 10 seconds. So you just get a drop of the Monobond and coat the tie base and the inside of the implant crown. Then I use a fine point Sharpie marker to mark the connection on the implant crown so you know where the notch is, and also on the tie base. So that way it'll make it easier for you to seat it right away once you put the cement on. So after I've done that, then I'll use the Ivoclar multi-link hybrid abutment cement. So I find my mark on the tie base, and what you're going to do is express the cement, and you're going to proceed to cover the tie base with the cement. You want to just make sure it has a good layer on there and it's covering the whole tie base. Then you take your implant crown and you line it up with the connection and seat it. It's a little bit messy. I have some gauze here. Then you want to squeeze it and make sure that it's seated all the way inside of the implant crown. Sometimes I'll use a flat surface and just press and make sure it's seated all the way. Then you want to firmly hold it and remove any excess cement. You can use a 2x2 gauze, or if you have an extra brush, you can use that to gently wipe it off of the margin. Then you use the Ivoclar liquid strip to place around the connection. Squeeze it one more time, and then you let it sit, and it takes about 7 minutes for the cement to fully harden. You wipe off that excess liquid strip and cement with a 2x2 gauze, and then it's ready for delivery of the implant crown. Thanks for watching.